Hey folks, today we're going to look at some blemish removal tools in action and give you a few tips on what to look for if you'd like to get a kit for yourself. First of all, with a good kit, you'll always have the right tool for the right blemish and reduce your chances of getting scars and infections. You'll want a kit with a variety of different end pieces, such as this 7-piece kit, which has wire loops, flattened loops, and the more spoon-shaped style. This set also has a spade for pushing around tough and calloused material, and a lancet for precise punctures. Side note, don't puncture your skin unless it's absolutely necessary. It puts you at a risk for infection, which brings me to my next point. You'll want a set of tools that you can keep sterile and free of corrosion. Stainless steel instruments like these are your best bet. They're easy to keep clean and sterile with hot soapy water or rubbing alcohol. You'll also want instruments that are solid but not too small. Some of the cheaper kits you'll find have scaled down tools that you may not realize are small until it's too late. And lastly, it's nice to have a case that's compact and easy to travel with. This one was simple but classy. So to sum up, this kit we have here had all the features that we were looking for. Check out the link below if you'd like to get one for yourself. It ships from the US, so it should arrive in a few days. Which is another thing to look out for. Some of the cheaper kits ship from China and take several weeks to arrive. So thanks for watching, I hope you found this helpful. Check out the link below if you want to get an extractor kit, and hit those like and subscribe buttons, and we'll keep bringing you new content all the time. Thanks for watching.